No. This girl is darkness. Wait! It seems your friend is still here. Show me!
Grabe naman yan.
Oh, you really did it now! Come on! Damn!
Dito pala siya na. Ganyan. Pwede mo na dito sa video. Dito.
A normal human
Ikaw
you
lang
are
talaga
not.
baka.
Therefore, you must be a
Ay, naman
tool
ka
of
muna
the
na.
spirit world.
Sige nga.
Oh, who are you? Tell me! King of the Netherlands.
Ikaw. Ikaw, pusing, pusing.
Here we go. What? It didn't get through him.
Di.
Yo,
Oy, papicture na doon kay Cloud.
be gone.
Tapos kung spider.
Magkano? Magkano? Na? 15. Iler. Ito gusto mo? Ay, ano ba isa? Porta.
Magkano isa?
15.
15?
Akin nga yung isa, yung pera mo.
Lagyan mong gatas?
Pwede rin. Paano mo pala? May gatas-gatas pa pala. Bayaran mo muna na. Anong kulay sa'yo?
Kahit ano? Magkano yan? 15?
Ha?
8?
Sakto lang. Gusto lang. Binigay mo na.
Power sphere, source of our energy, plundered in the distant past by the spirit world. Once we had been returned,
Bigyan mo si kuya mo.
our hopes would finally be realized. The leaders of the spirit world must have been well. They would not have it protected by such small beings. Where is it?
Ay, nakarong bata.
Where did they hide it?
Ay, nakasading mo.
This must be the element of
Bigyan mo si kuya mo.
All right, it's time to open it up.
Bakit na po niya akong pat-pat? Vlogger ang pasaheros, vlogger ang driver. Parang vlogger.
Grabe ang ilaw. Nakakuan.
Hey, who the hell are
Naka-video.
you?
Dito mo yung picture. Kahit naka-video.
Naka-videoan.